Okay, everybody, Dan here. Just want to look at Generac real quick. First of all, the Fed did what everybody expected it to do, raised by 25 basis points, and we really do just have a muted reaction here. The Dow 30, this will be the 13th day in a row, if it holds, that this is closed up. I don't really find that to be noteworthy other than if I'm on TV reading a teleprompter. It doesn't matter. What does matter is just the strength of this index in general gives us a better takeaway for it gives us a better takeaway for the entire market. Like, where are we? The trannies are up, the Dow industrials are up, the spiders are up, the mid caps are up, the small caps are up. You could say kind of the laggard here for today anyway is the NASDAQ 100. But essentially, all of this stuff is doing really well. So that's kind of the overview for me. But the stock I want to mention is Generac. Now, one of our more prominent traders in our trading room, Barry, had mentioned this earlier today about buying some stock, and I really like it. When this thing broke above 150, that's kind of a key level. And significantly, the other level that you really want to look at here, let's see, the high here is 152.13. So we just make this at 152.13. And this is really where, as they say, the rubber meets the road. So the high here so far is 152. This is now right at the level that this peaked at last month. And so I think this is kind of a key day to be watching. I would suggest watching the stock tomorrow to see how it works. And if it starts trading above this level, my feeling is you can go ahead and buy the stock. You buy the stock there and then give it about 4% room. If it breaks out above here, I wouldn't put my stop any tighter than at today's intraday low of 146.55. You can't have it any tighter than that. The likelihood of you getting stopped out is pretty high. But if you just put it maybe a little bit below 145, that gets your foot in the door for if the stock does move higher, and then at the same time it covers you against any kind of a meaningful loss. Also be mindful that this company reports in a week. So that's really kind of in that respect, it's a short-term trade. But longer term, you've got to look at this base and just love it. Okay, so Generac is generating profits. Sorry, I couldn't resist that pun. All right, I'll see you guys next time.